Hello everyone, welcome to Wire Network. Today in this video, I will show you how to set up hotspot server in MikroTik router board. To set up a MikroTik hotspot, follow these steps. Click to the Winbox utility. Select your MikroTik router board in Neighbor. Log in MikroTik using your username and password. Identify the LAN port that you want to configure for the hotspot. Step 1. Assign an IP address and subnet mask to the LAN port. Go to IP and select Addresses. Click on the plus button to add a new address. Enter the desired IP address and subnet mask for the LAN port. Select the LAN port from the interface drop-down menu. Step 2. Set DNS server. Go to the IP menu and select DNS. Click on the Servers field and enter DNS server. Step 3. Add IP pool for hotspot client. Go to the IP menu and select Pool. Click on the plus button to add new pool. In the name field, enter your IP pool name. In the addresses field, enter your IP rank. Step 4. Configure DHCP server on the LAN port to assign IP addresses to hotspot clients. Go to the IP menu and select DHCP server. Click on DHCP tab. Click on the plus button to add new DHCP server. Enter your DHCP server name. Select the LAN port from the interface drop-down menu. Select the IP address pool. Click on the Networks tab. Click on the plus button to add address and gateway. In the address field, enter your DHCP network. In the gateway field, enter gateway IP address. Step 5. Configure the firewall rules to allow hotspot traffic. Click on the IP menu and select Firewall. In the NAT tab, click on the plus button to add new firewall rules. Step 6. Configure the hotspot settings. Go to the IP menu and select Hotspot. Click on the Hotspot Setup. Select your hotspot LAN interface. Set hotspot address for interface. Set pool for hotspot addresses. Set DNS name of local hotspot server. Create local hotspot user and password. Finally, hotspot setup completed successfully.